Hello, you're welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me once again. My name is Ida Francis and it is a pleasure to have you back on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed, please do well to click the subscribe button and the bell that is just right beside it so that you'll be notified anytime a new content like this drops on this channel. And if you have further questions or private hair questions that you want to share with me, please kindly send me a DM on my Instagram. And if you have further questions concerning this video, please kindly drop them in the comment section down below. Okay, let's get right into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you what you need to do when you want to do a deep conditioner for your hair. I actually posted a video on how I deep conditioning my hair. Please do check that video out. You know, deep conditioning or using a deep conditioner for your hair is actually very good because it helps make your hair soft and even manageable, and it reduces breakage because it's something that you apply on your hair and you leave it for a certain period of time, like before you wash it off, and it gives your hair the opportunity to infuse, for the product to infuse, go deep into your hair follicles, revive your hair and the whole of that. So I'm going to be giving you tips on what to do for your deep conditioning treatment. Tip number one, have to deep condition your hair when your hair is wet. That means you need to either put water on your hair, or when you finish shampooing your hair needs to be wet, because if your hair is not wet, you will find it very difficult for the product to actually go into your hair, and you're going to be stressing your hair in the process. So ensure that you moisturize your hair with water or make your hair wet either when you finish washing your hair. Okay, do not do a deep conditioning treatment on a tangled hair. That is why before you do a deep conditioning treatment, I will recommend you do a pre-poo, because while doing your pre-poo, you are going to detangle your hair. In the process, either you're going to use your hands, your fingers to detangle your hair, or you're going to use a comb. The disadvantage of deep conditioning your hair with a tangled hair is that it's actually going to lead to more breakage. Your hair is actually going to be so tangled, and it will be very difficult for the product to really go into the hair. You need to be consistent. Yeah, consistency is very important when it comes to hair. You don't need to bring this hit and run approach to your natural hair care. When you're doing a deep conditioning treatment, you follow it. Say, okay, for instance, I'm going to be doing a deep conditioning once in 2 weeks. Make sure that you do it once in 2 weeks. Don't say, okay, we stay a month, 2 months, and you will not do your deep conditioning treatment. No, you need to follow a particular regimen. You need to stick to the rule kind of the deep conditioning. You need to use a plastic cap, a shower cap, a grocery bag. I don't usually recommend heat, or you can use a hoodie cap if your hair really likes that. So after applying your deep conditioning treatment, you actually tie it with a plastic bag. Then you can put your hair bonnet and let it sit for some time, maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour, or depending on the time that you have at hand before you wash it off. Okay, because if you apply a deep conditioning treatment and you just let your hair to be like that, I don't think that will be really nice. I don't do that. I discovered that anytime I cover my hair with a plastic cap, by the time I remove the plastic cap, the grocery bag, my hair is usually feel warm, feels so moisturized, it feels soft and even manageable. Okay, the last thing I'm going to say is that you need to be creative. Creativity is actually very important if you want your hair to grow. That has really helped my hair growth regimen. Being creative is that even when you're using store-bought products, feel free to add few things. You know, adding few things. You can add honey. Feel free to like spice things up. It's just like buying food in the market. You're gonna prepare a meal and you decided to like, hey, let me spice this thing up. It's the same thing with hair. If you need to add egg, you add egg. You know, if you need to add honey, you add honey. If you need to add this, just feel free to spice it. Or if you need to add more oils to keep your hair moisturized, feel free to spice it up. Okay, so far this is just the few tips I have for your deep conditioning treatment, things that you should actually consider when doing your deep conditioning treatment. I hope this was actually very helpful. If you have further questions, please do that in the comment section down below, and you can also send me a private question. If you have further questions to ask me concerning your hair care, please kindly send me a DM on Instagram. If you find this video very helpful, please do not forget to like it, okay, and also share this video with your friends. Don't forget to drop your comment, tell me the next video that you would love to see me do next, and I'm gonna do that for you, okay? So until another time when I will come your way, my name is Heidi Francis. Bye.